all viewers. Welcome back to another Healthy Lifestyle Supports Channel's video. Did you know that why spinach is called a superfood? Spinach is a true nutritional powerhouse, as it's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Of course, spinach is one of the world's most popular leafy green vegetables, mainly due to its nutrient-rich content, but its medicinal properties are less known. Learn more about spinach benefits and nutrition facts, its cultivation and most popular uses. Notably, you aren't limited to tossing it into salads and sides. Juicing fresh spinach has become a popular way to enjoy this green veggie. In fact, spinach juice is linked to an array of impressive health benefits. In today's video, we are going to show you about the health benefits of spinach. From a nutrition facts, high in antioxidants, improve eye health, improve blood pressure, and many more included potential side effect of the spinach. Number 1. Nutrition facts. What is the nutritional value of spinach? Spinach has one of the highest concentrations of vitamin K, providing about 4 times the daily value for this important nutrient that aids coagulation, as well as the absorption of calcium, also found in the leaves, thus promoting bone strength. Spinach leaves are also an excellent source of vitamin A, as beta-carotene, necessary for immunity, as well as for skin and eye health, vitamin B9, folate, which plays a key role in fetal development and red blood cells production, and manganese, important for carbohydrate metabolism, calcium absorption, and blood sugar regulation. Based on the Food Data Central research results of the U.S. Department of Agriculture, called USDA, 1 cup, 100 grams, of raw spinach contains energy, 23 calories. Carbohydrates, 3.63 grams equal 1% of the daily value. Fiber, 2.2 grams, equal 9% of the daily value. Protein, 2.86 grams, equals 6% of the daily value. Vitamin K, 482.9 micrograms, equal 402% of the daily value. Vitamin C, 28.1 milligrams, equal 31% of the daily value. Vitamin A, 469 micrograms, equal 52% of the daily value. Riboflavin, 0.189 milligrams, equal 15% of the daily value. Calcium, 99 micrograms, equal 8% of the daily value. Folate, 194 micrograms, equal 49% of the daily value. Magnesium, 79 milligrams, equal 19% of the daily value. Iron, 2.71 milligrams, equal 15% of the daily value. Potassium, 558 milligrams, equal 12% of the daily value. Vitamin B6, 0.195 milligrams, equal 11% of the daily value. Thiamine, 0.078 milligrams, equal 7% of the daily value. Niacin, 0.724 milligrams, equal 5% of the daily value. Well, what are the benefits of having spinach? Eating both raw and cooked spinach provides great health benefits. However, the concentration of water-soluble nutrients, such as vitamin C and vitamin B9, folate, while still present in good amounts, gets reduced when the leaves are exposed to heat. Nevertheless, cooked spinach delivers higher quantities of minerals, such as iron, which also becomes easier to be absorbed by the body, as well as magnesium, copper, calcium, and potassium. Number 2. High in antioxidants. Drinking spinach juice is a great way to boost your antioxidant intake. Antioxidants neutralize unstable molecules called free radicals, thus protecting you against oxidative stress and chronic disease. In particular, spinach is a good source of the antioxidants lutein, beta-carotene, coumaриc acid, zeaxanthin, and ferulic acid. According to a small 16-day study in 8 people, drinking 8 ounces, 240 ml, of spinach daily prevented oxidative damage to DNA. Animal studies reveal similar findings, tying spinach to oxidative stress prevention. Number 3. May improve eye health. Spinach juice is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants necessary for maintaining healthy vision. Some research suggests that these compounds help protect against age-related macular degeneration, a common condition that can cause progressive vision loss. A review of 6 studies linked increased intake of zeaxanthin and lutein to a lower risk of cataracts, an eye condition that clouds and blurs the lens of your eye. What's more, spinach juice is high in vitamin A, which is important for eye health. A deficiency in this vitamin can cause dry eyes and night blindness. Although the exact amount varies based on how much water you use and whether you add other ingredients, juicing 4 cups, 120 grams of raw spinach generally produces about 1 cup, 240 ml of juice. In turn, this amount of juice provides nearly 63% of the daily value, DV, for vitamin A. Number 4. May decrease cancer cell growth. Although more human research is needed, some studies suggest that certain compounds in spinach may help combat cancer cell growth. In a 2-week study in mice, spinach juice reduced the volume of colon cancer tumors by 56%. Another mouse study showed that monogalactosyl deacylglycerol, MGDG, a spinach compound, enhanced the effects of radiation therapy to kill pancreatic cancer cells. Furthermore, human studies indicate that eating more leafy greens lowers your risk of lung, prostate, breast, and colorectal cancer. Nonetheless, these studies are focused on overall leafy green intake rather than spinach juice specifically. Thus, additional studies are needed. Number 5. May reduce blood pressure. Spinach juice is high in naturally occurring nitrates, a type of compound that can help dilate your blood vessels. In turn, this may lower blood pressure and boost blood flow. A 7-day study in 27 people found that eating spinach soup daily decreased blood pressure and arterial stiffness, compared with a control group. In another small study, 30 people who ate nitrate-rich spinach experienced lower systolic blood pressure, the upper number of a reading, and improved nitric oxide status. 1 cup, 240 ml, of spinach juice also packs over 14% of the daily value, DV, for potassium, a mineral involved in regulating blood pressure by controlling the amount of sodium excreted through your urine. Number 6. May promote health hair and skin. Spinach juice is a great source of vitamin A, with nearly 63% of the daily value in 1 cup, 240 ml. This vitamin helps regulate skin cell generation and produce mucus to protect against infections. 1 cup, 240 ml, of spinach juice also contains about 38% of the daily value for vitamin C, which is an essential water-soluble vitamin that doubles as an antioxidant. Studies show that vitamin C protects your skin against oxidative stress, inflammation, and skin damage, all of which can accelerate signs of aging. Furthermore, it helps synthesize collagen, a connective tissue protein that promotes wound healing and skin elasticity. What's more, vitamin C may increase iron absorption and even help prevent hair loss associated with iron deficiency. Number 7. Potential side effect. While spinach juice is associated with some benefits, there are a few drawbacks to consider. For starters, most of the available research is focused on spinach itself, not the juice. Thus, further studies on the juice are needed. Additionally, juicing removes most of the fiber from spinach, which could curb some of its benefits. Studies show that fiber may help improve blood sugar control, weight loss, and blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It may also protect against several digestive disorders, including hemorrhoids, constipation, acid reflux, and diverticulitis. Spinach is likewise high in vitamin K, large amounts of which can interfere with blood thinners like warfarin. If you're taking blood thinners, consult a healthcare professional before adding spinach juice to your daily routine. It's also important to carefully read labels if you purchase store-bought juices, as some varieties may be high in added sugar. Finally, keep in mind that spinach juice should not be used as a meal replacement, as it's lacking in many of the nutrients necessary for a balanced diet. Rather, you should drink it to supplement a healthy diet, enjoying it alongside a variety of other whole fruits and vegetables. Summary: spinach juice is high in antioxidants and beneficial compounds that may protect your vision, decrease blood pressure, and improve hair and skin health. However, it's low in fiber and isn't an appropriate meal replacement, as it's lacking in important nutrients like protein and healthy fats. If you drink spinach juice, be sure to enjoy it alongside other whole, nutritious foods as part of a balanced diet. Well, consuming spinach on a regular basis has a vast range of health benefits. That's all now. Do you find this video content interesting? Please tell us in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching this video from the beginning till end. Stay healthy, eat healthy, be healthy.